How to add free emo download. No anyone's ad. This application purchase for Google Play Store for pay out the dollar. You can how to free for emo ad free anyone any devices. Go to browsers, search emo premium epico epic search this website of the Mudrio. I'm link for description shortcut. Going to into website, download this last version. You show your last version 7 June's. Download. The few seconds of download is starting automatically, and don't worry. Download start. Download is completely. You install emo. My phone is Xiaomi and the scanning for security totally done. 100% secure. Open emo. Allow fully access. Put it down any number in the personal number. This complete. Emo down. Anyone called him. Anyone called him. Not for adding. Not for adding. No ad. Anyone no ad. Anyone. Is always this application premium. Full premium on that. Okay, done. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share.